I'm Canadian immigration lawyer Mark Holthe, and this is Wild Tips on Immigration. This series is all designed to help you guys avoid the wild things that are happening in Canadian immigration. Stay tuned. Hey guys, Mark Holthe here, Canadian immigration lawyer, coming to you with another wild tip on immigration from beautiful Beaver Mines Lake here in southern Alberta. Today's tip is pretty simple. We know that a lot of immigration applications are filed online, but not all of them. There are some that are filed via paper. Today's tip is simply this. Before you submit your application, make sure you make a complete copy of it. And when you mail it to immigration, make sure that you do it with a courier and ensure that there's a signature on the other end. Immigration isn't perfect, and sometimes they lose applications. And if they just happen to lose yours, and you've waited months and months and there's no response, you call them and they say, "We never received it." Well, you then at that stage say, "Oh yes you did. Here's the courier, here's the signature, and I have a complete copy of my whole application." Then you politely tell them to put your application right back into the queue where it should have been based on the date that you sent it. All right, there's the wild tip for today, and I wish you guys all the best. And you can see here with beautiful Table Mountain in the background, and it is a wonderful, wonderful evening here in beautiful southern Alberta. Take care.